Hi, everybody. I'm just going to try to show this again, see if this helps you out. We're still using partial quotients, and this is the Super 7, but today I know we went over some others. And if you hear any weird noise in the background, you know who it is, Miss Honey. All right, so again, we're trying to take groups of equal groups, just like in multiplication, out of 48. So again, I know my multiplication, and I've already told you I love my fives, my tens, my hundreds, and my thousands, but we're not even in the hundreds, so we're going to be okay. So I think, okay, well, I know that 10 times 4 equals 40. So I subtract that 40, and I have 8 left over. Well, I know my multiplication, and I know that 2 times 4 equals 8, and I'm down to 0, no remainder. And this number is smaller than this number. So I look at this and I add that up and it's 12. So this is 12, the 2 over the 1s and the 10 over the tens part, the 12, sorry. And so my answer is 12. So 48 divided by 4 is 12. And again, this is the partial product Super 7. All right, now here's what we did in the book today, and this is what you're going to see on your homework, is the same thing. And all it is kind of a different way of writing it. Instead of our Super 7, we're putting it out in a box. So right here, just like we used to do multiplication, remember 4 and then the numbers up here? So in the box method. So I look over here and I think, okay, I know that 10 times 4 is 40. So I do the subtraction. I have 8 left over. And look, I've put the 8 over here. And now I look and I think, okay, well, I also know that 2 times 4 equals 8. And so I have 0, which is what I want. So 10 plus 2 is 12. So basically it's the same thing. We're just using a box, okay? And this is going to help if you practice these strategies when we get to bigger numbers. All right, again, I've got 78 divided by 6. So again, I look and I go, 6 times what is going to give me close to 78? Well, I like my tens. So 6 times 10 is 60. And I subtract that and I've got 18. And so I take the 18, I put it over here. And I said, oh, I know that 6 times 3 is 18, which gives me 0. So 10 plus 3 is 13. Okay, so this is the model that we did. Now, today for homework, you're going to do the same thing here, here, and on this one, you can draw these out. So if you need to draw these out, again, we've got 78. Let me just move this. 78 divided by 2, and we could do the box method again. So I put the, let's see, I put the 2 here. And I've got 2 numbers, so I'm going to have 2 squares. All right, and so I think, okay, 2 times what is going to give me something close to 78? So 2 times, let's see, 2 times 10. So if I think 2 times 10 is 20, well, it's going to be more than that. 2 times 20 is 40. 2 times 30 is 60. That's pretty close. 2 times, let's see, 2 times 40 is too high. So let's go with 2 times, well, we could do as many boxes as we want. So we could do, let's do 2 times, let's do 2 times 10. All right, so 2 times 10 is 20. Let's subtract that. And I've got an 8, and I've got a 5. All right, and then I do another 10 because I've got, so I take this 58, I put it here. Okay, and I'm going to take out another 10, which is 20. And so again, I've got 8, and let's see, I've got 3. So I'm going to make another square. Okay, and I can take another 10 out, so let's take another 10. And so 2 times, so I've got 38. Let me put 38 here. And then 2 times 10 is 20 again. And I am down to 18. So I'm going to take my 18, put it over here, make another square. And I think, okay, 2 times what equals 18? Oh, I know, 2 times 9 equals 18. And I get with 0. Okay, so that's the 0, and it's this one smaller than this. And so I just go, okay, 10, 20, 39. So this equals 39. And so my answer is 39. All right, so that's how you do number 6. Now, number 9, which you do not have to do, we could try again. And so let's try number 9. And number 9 is 57 divided by 3. So again, I'm going to make my squares. And I'm going to go 3. And let's see how many squares I'm going to need. So I think, okay, 57. So 3 times what equals 50, close to 57? Well, I'm going to do the 10. So 3 times 10 equals 30. And so I've got a 7. And I've got 2. All right. I can't, so I bring this 27 over here. I can't do 3 times 10 because that's 30. So let's see. I know 3 times 9. 3 times 9 is 27, and that leaves me 0. Okay, so I only needed 2 squares here. I got all of it done. This is 19. So 57 divided by 3 is 19. All right, and so you're going to start to figure out how big you need these squares. Okay, so I just wanted to, it depends on how you want to break them up. Now, if you wanted to break this up into 5s, then it'd be something different. So again, it's just like Super 7. So this one, again, if I wanted to do Super 7, again, partial quotients. And so I say 57. So again, you know how I like my 10s, my 5s, my 10s, my 100s. So I'm going to take out 10 times 3, which is 30. Okay, I've got a 7 and 27. And then I know my multiplication, and I know that 3 times 9 is 27, and that leaves me with 0. And that gives me 19. So basically the same thing. You're sort of guessing at how many groups of that number you can pull out. And that's, sorry about that, that's how it looks. Oops. All right, so I hope this helps. And I will see you in class tomorrow. But remember, we're doing, sorry about the dogs, we're doing partial quotients. And we'll learn the algorithm that your parents know later. But right now we're doing partial quotients. Sorry about the barking dogs. Hope you guys are having a great night. Bye.